Hello, Mr. Harry, are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay. We want to talk about the first recurring characters.
No, we don't.
So, for example, for this hello, what's the first recurring character? What's the recurring means repeated again? L. And then in this case, we want to return L, the index of the second L, right? So which is
The
0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
It starts with 0, okay? So we return 3.
Ah.
Okay, another one. A, B, C, D, A. What's the first recurring character?
A.
So we want to
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If there is no recurring letters, A, B, C,
-1.
we return -1 if less. Okay, so we clear with this problem, right? So what kind of data structure can we use to remember the letters we have seen so far? You know, we have talked about this quite a lot of times. The data structure to remember the notebook. Okay, and in particular in this case, we want to remember the notes we have seen. So which notebook is it? Notebook. You know the notebook.
Hashtag.
Hash what?
Hash.
Table or hash set?
Hash set.
Yeah, set is contains the list of the contains the unique letters, right? But hash table is the key value pairs, right? Yeah. So we want to use the hash set to remember the things, the letters we have seen so far. And then if the second time we seen this letter before, then we return its index. So which function returns can we use to return a pair, a tuple of the index and the value at the same time? Remember which function? Start with E. What was the function?
Enumerate.
Yeah, enumerate. Yes. Okay.
They said at the same time.
Define. Well done. Define.
Define.
I don't know. First recurring. Okay. First recurring. What's recurring mean?
Repeating.
Yeah. Let's say S.
Yeah.
So let's say sin equals set. Right? And then we can do this for I. The value in enumerate, okay? Enumerate S. So if I do this, which one is the index? Which one is the value?
I is the index and B is the value because I stands for index and index.
Tuple, okay? Index start with 0, okay?
And value is V because value has a V in front, so that's why it's V.
Okay. Then we say if V in
You're hot, Ryan.
If V in C.
Because I haven't changed and I still have my jumper.
Alright, come on. If V in C, we have seen this before, then we return the index. So which one? Return what?
What if there's more than return V?
I is the index.
What if there's two different repeating characters?
That's why we say first. Okay, so we go
What if there are 3 of them?
Yeah.
What if there are 3 of them?
That's fine. We always return the first one. We always return the first one. Thing. Look. And then what we should. Then what
I
we.
thought you returned the index of the last one.
That's a very good question. Look, A, B, A. We return this index.
Why?
This is the question. Come on.
So
look.
2.
So look, A. We put it in the set, which is this is C.
Yeah, you returned the last one.
Okay, sin equals A, okay? And then B, I put it here, B. And then A, okay, it appears before. Then I return it, okay?
Yeah,
so what should I do with
you
this?
did return the last one.
Return the first recurring letter. Okay, so what should I do with
But
this?
you did add.
Add what?
Boring letter.
V, right? Add a V, right?
Yeah, I said V.
Okay, and then return, if we don't have sin,
-1.
return minus. Okay, so what do we think this problem?
It is simple.
Wow, okay, it's simple,
Well,
easy. Okay, what's the time complexity?
I don't know,
What's the time complexity?
it looks short.
What's time complexity?
So O-N.
Yeah, well done. Wow, Ryan, you're really on fire today. Okay, what's the space complexity?
Why is he on fire?
What's the space complexity? Are we using any space here?
O1.
Eh?
O1 is kidding.
Why is ON?
Because we're losing scene.
We're using sin, yeah.
I accidentally said we're losing.
We're not losing.
We're losing scene.
Okay.
I accidentally said we're losing
Okay. So that's it. I
Wow,
think.
Eric is on fire.
Yeah. It's on fire. Okay, so look, if we're not using the set, we can also use this.
Right,
We can use
you wanna
this.
claim?
Come on. We can use the dictionary as well, right? Sin equals dictionary, right? Then we can say if v in sin return I. But instead of dictionary, then we can say this. Instead of sin dot add v.
I'm very
Alright.
proud, yes.
So what should we do with this? We can say sin. We can assign any value of it. So sin v. Okay, we can say sin v equals anything, 1 for example, or sin equals I, okay? Let's still also okay if we're using dictionary, which is hash table, okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
That's it for today. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Meow.